In this video, we will review how to track, assign, and manage your materials, tools, equipment, and kits on a job. To start, we're going to navigate to our Jobs tab and select the job that we're going to be monitoring this entire time. Now, from the mobile app, we're signed in as a technician. We will open up the technician's truck and we will begin to select material to transfer to the job. Here, we select the correct job and reason code and simply input our quantities. We confirm that transfer as we're selling these to the job. And we refresh our browser to quickly see that now these three materials, two of one quantity, one of the other, have been transferred from the service van to this job. Here, toggling back to the mobile app, we're going to look at how we can transfer a kit. So kits are a great way to make it very easy on your technicians to select multiple materials at a time and adjust their quantities as need be to then make a transfer of the materials. There's two ways in which they can do that. They can transfer the kit, or if they hit transfer materials, it will pull up all the materials in the kit and then they can remove and adjust as well. They're going to show up in two different locations on the job. Materials will only show in materials. Kits will show under the kit tab. So we'll demonstrate this here. Here, we're going to select the kit. The technician now has the ability to come in and adjust quantities as need be on said kit, and then make that transfer to the job. Here, we will now see the kit and be able to hit the drop down and open up how that kit is now itemized and see the cost for all those materials that have been passed on to the job. They are, however, not replicated in the materials list. Once again, if you want them to show in the materials list, simply ask your technicians and train them to utilize the transfer materials, and then this will always be a material transfer and show them itemized under materials. Next, we're going to show the transfer of a piece of equipment. Here, we can now transfer a water heater that the technician has on their truck to the job. And we will see this now is marked as an installation and is itemized now within this job within Ply. Last but not least, how to manage tools. The technician just simply needs to navigate to their Tools tab or scan a tool barcode or a tool NFC tag, and then proceed to select the tag and assign the tool to the job. In doing so, you will now know that, yes, this technician happens to be assigned this tool and it's with them on their truck, but now we know that this tool is actually being used. So if we navigate to our catalog at any given time and look at all our tools, we'll see that we have this tool in use. So if anyone's asking about it, we're pretty confident that our technician has marked it as in use because they're currently using it, because they are currently assigned to this job. And so, we see we happen to have another one of these tools that's currently damaged in the shop. So now we know that we don't have any of this particular tool available. With that said, if the technician needs to change anything on the job, they simply just need to navigate over to their Jobs tab and open up the job. And here they'll have the ability to transfer materials back to their truck if they don't use them all, make any updates to the equipment as need be, or unassign the tool from the job when they are done.